An ode to Allen Edmonds enthusiasts. I search on eBay, and what do I see? An ocean of shoes, most of them 9 or 10D. Occasionally I see a pair that may fit me. My heart races, it's 11.5 and nearly free. But alas, I cannot wear. Its width is a B. This searching is definitely not easy. Why are their feet so incredibly narrow? To me they look like they're shaped like an arrow. Am I part duck? Is anyone else 3E? I cannot be a problem only for me. I don't even want to go to the mall to look. The shoe salesman there treat me like a crook. What do I see on that fine-dressed man at church? I must know so I can do proper research. Greg, what are your shoes? They're simply dazzling. Thank you, he replies. They're Allen Edmonds. Thanks for asking. Allen Edmonds, I see? I don't see those at the mall. A time that I've seen so many widths, I cannot recall. To Northeast Ohio's only Allen Edmonds store I trek. Which models can I fit? For this we will check. Allen Edmonds stores all have a professional fitter. This is why I can leave without being bitter. This is it. This is great. My expectations are surpassed. But what is Goodyear welting? What is a last? The strand in walnut I waited years to buy. 11.5 triple E. The fit is perfect. My feet will testify. Allen Edmonds is my first 10,000 step shoe. Sneakers? No. Dress shoes for every occasion I will pursue. What about this material called shell cordovan? It's so elusive, I must have one of them. Allen Edmonds enthusiasts? Yes, there are men just like me, so it's not unusual to collect a shoe tree. My feet are finally comfortable and look elegant. I must convince to my wife the greater expense is not extravagant. Why does one need 25 pairs? I know it's unjustifiable. We don't, and the chance of her getting angry is undeniable. For just one more pair my heart aches. This chance today I will take. I'll bring her a gift, something to appease, with cupcake or flowers. Will she be pleased? Come on, honey, I'm not so bad. Russell has several hundred pair. One more I can add. Whew, I've dodged the bullet. I committed no crime. I'm satisfied. My collection is done. But I'll just browse allenedmonds.com just one more time. At the time of the recording of this video, I am not sponsored nor paid by Allen Edmonds. I'm just a raving fan because I do have wide feet. And the first shoe that I found that are a quality shoe, Goodyear Welted, that I can get at a really good price point, that fit my feet really well. If you want to learn more about these types of things, go to my channel. Just look up Cobbler Bob, and feel free to like this video and subscribe and share it with some other shoe nuts that you know. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless.